Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious macarons using your oven. First, gather your essential ingredients: almond flour, powdered sugar, and egg whites. Make sure everything is at room temperature for optimal mixing. Using a precise kitchen scale for all measurements is absolutely crucial for macaron success. This careful preparation sets the stage for perfect shells. Next, we'll create the meringue and macaronage. Whip your egg whites to stiff peaks, gradually adding granulated sugar. Then, gently fold the dry ingredients into the meringue. The goal is a smooth, lava-like consistency that flows slowly off your spatula. This delicate folding technique is absolutely key to achieving those signature macaron feet and a perfect texture. Now it's time to pipe your macaron shells. Use a piping bag to create uniform circles on parchment paper. After piping, firmly tap your baking sheets on the counter a few times to release any trapped air bubbles. This prevents hollow shells. Finally, let your piped shells rest at room temperature until a slight skin forms on top, which can take about 30 to 60 minutes. Finally, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to a consistent temperature, typically around 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your macarons until they develop their characteristic feet and are firm to the touch. This usually takes about 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before attempting to remove them. Patience here ensures they don't break.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.